What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here and it is looking very strong, isn't it? You can see quite clearly here that we've actually made a new local high coming up to around, what is this right now? 244. This is actually the highest point that we've seen since we actually got to that all-time high in May before the market crashed there. And with the market rolling over as much as it has over the past few days, Polygon is showing an enormous amount of strength. You can see quite clearly there was a huge red wick here, which was a few days ago, basically when Bitcoin had that huge rollover where we did come down to a low of around 155 here, retesting some of this swing low area. You can see we're probably back tested if we look at the hourly time frame, for example. You can see we almost back tested here the 618, but we actually front run it a little bit. Only around a few cents away here, maybe 2 cents away from this low that we did see. And you can see the enormous amount of strength that Polygon has been showing. On the hourly time frame, it's extremely apparent. You can see here we were just making our way up. We made that local high again at 244. Really getting up there, weren't we? And then obviously Bitcoin had that huge rollover. Polygon, you can see here, we come down, as we said, to that 155 swing low. Almost just front run the 618, almost touching the 618 there. We come back up, retest that previous swing high resistance here that we keep saying was going to be super important at 180. You can see just how apparent it is now. We come up, retest that as support, stuck under the fibs, we come up again, we roll over again for that double bottom back test, we retest that 180 level yet again as a support, and you can see here we come up. We've actually come up and made a slightly higher high here, as you can see quite clearly. RSI is still increasing as well, so no signs of bearish divergences here. Looking as though Polygon really wants to keep marching on the hourly time frame here and getting back towards that all-time high. And as we always said, once Polygon did start to break out of this pennant formation here that we've been talking about, the coiling, the breakout and the back test, and then once it did start to break out and get that full back test and start to run away with things, that we would be heading up towards the all-time high at 270-ish. And that is our next target if we can clear this last resistance here at 245-ish of this wick that we saw back in May here. We will be heading up to the all-time high where we will at least see, a test of the all-time high in the next week or so, if that's the case. Judging by how the chart's looking, it's looking very strong indeed. Polygon showing an enormous amount of interest from buyers right now, despite all the market volatility. It's pretty clear that a lot of people are rotating Bitcoin into alts right now. And altcoin season could be getting underway very shortly. And we can see the evidence of that with Polygon here. Despite Bitcoin being down 20, 30, 40% now from all-time highs, Polygon is only, what is this, a meager 10% away from its all-time high right now. And showing that it really wants to head to the upside and continue onwards, basically. So overall, Polygon looking really good. We'd say, realistically, it does look as though it's on its way to its all-time highs, so we'll keep things really short and sweet because overall nothing really to say other than Polygon technically looking very strong indeed. Obviously, if we roll over, as we always say, we've got some good supports here. This 222 level is that previous swing high. We could see that flipped into support here, which would be obviously very bullish to see, but realistically, if we did roll over, we'd probably head back down to that $2-ish level in and around that 0.78. Come down, retest this as support before continuation, basically just making those higher highs and higher lows in a nice uptrend. And as we said, if we do move to the upside, we are targeting that all-time high, which is at around 266, 270, which is basically our next target. And then beyond that, as we've always said, we do think Polygon is a really good quality project. And if they do start to get more and more DeFi on their platform, we do think realistically going into the next 2 or 3 or 4 months, we could see Polygon at $5 to $10 in our opinion. It's still very undervalued in comparison to a lot of layer ones, a lot of alternate smart contract platforms, and we do think it's got a lot of potential. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.